Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Alrighty, we're back at Moody Town this morning after a dry Sunday. There was nothing ran during the daylight yesterday. Now today, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:30, something like that, and we've got a huge northbound train, 500 and some axles. I just heard the defect detector go off at the 225, so I jumped and ran. So I'm not even real sure what this train is. I'm assuming it's going to be Q652, or it could be a coal train, or I don't know. It's a little bit too big to be 694, but looks like all grain cars. I'm surprised that train didn't have a DPU on it. I guess it has a lot of empties. But with the look of those cars, company coal cars and empty grain cars, I'm sure that's a Q652. Awesome crew, love that horn show. Alrighty, early in the day, so hopefully we can catch a few today. Okay, we're again back at Moody Town Road, and we got all crazy and got on the other side of the crossing for a different view here. This train set off the defect detector with 204 axles, so I'm assuming this is probably Q694, so we'll hang out here and catch him. Alrighty, it's another real nice day for train watching, and there's a Q693 and an ethanol train lurking somewhere between Kingsport and Irwin, so still early in the day, about 1 o'clock or so. We might be able to catch one of those going south. Alrighty, getting late in the evening, but I think we got just enough light to catch this southbound Q693. You got a high green there. He's already cleared the 205, so he's probably getting close to Catawba. So we're gonna hang out here and catch him. Alrighty, this camera does pretty good. Picks up the light real well. It looks a lot brighter in the view here in the camera than it does outside. So that'll be the last one for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching.